Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at one of our the newest feature that we're releasing. It's called the Clientele feature. So let's take a quick look at how to set this up. Go into the Create App section of your back office, and in the Build section, you'll see two new icons here. One's called the Clientele, and one is Videos for Users. You need to activate both of these. The Clientele is the main feature. The Videos for Users gives you the ability to send video messages to your clients, but they have to be mapped out on the home screen. So you have to have a home screen design with an area for them to click that would show all their housed videos and even their images there as well. So here are the two new features. Turn these things on. Let's come back into your application. I'm going to pull up my phone now and I'll make a display. I'll show you how this works right from here. So in the app, we have created a new tab at the a tab at the top. It's called Daily Tasks. You can call it whatever you want. It's an image. You can make it look like whatever you want. This is only going to be available for your staff. So no customers will see this. How it works, once you click on it, you'll see a task list. So for today, I've got nothing showing. You'll see the Clients tab as well as the Tags tab. Tags can be created by the admins. So the admin will have the ability to create a tag and also add an automated follow-up sequence. So this is now showing you the view from a staff, so I can't create them here, but the admins can. And the purpose of the tags are for you to tag your clients. So I'm going to find myself here, and sorry, okay, search. This is my account, okay. I click the view button, and you can see this is what each client, each staff member will have access to their clients on, okay. So you can schedule follow-ups. So the first tab is follow-up. So I can add a task for myself to call this client right here. This was on the 14th. So let's add a task for today. I'm going to add a task. Let's type in new task for August. What's today? The 19th. Hit the date. Hit submit. Now, when I go to my daily task list, it'll be showing up for this customer right here in their task list. So it's unchecked. Okay, I'm also able to edit it here as I want. If I go to my daily task list, you will now see that there. So the staff members will say, okay, now, call this client, schedule, send them a thank you, whatever the task is. It shows up in your task list, and as you check those things off, you'll see this progress bar moves dynamically. So I'm gonna go back to my clients here. I'm gonna have to find myself again. Okay, and come back to my name here. Okay, so you see what we can do with the follow-ups. The messaging, we're able to send text messages. So this is a history of the messages that we've got. So if I send a message right here, I'm going to send a test message, and it will pop up as a text. So this is not a push notification. Okay, now you'll see the text message just came in. So this is a test message. I just sent myself a text. This is from a local phone number in my own city. Each one of your clients will have to get a local number for their own business. So every message coming from this business will see a local number, and you'll see the number 1 here. So this is for staff member 1. We can change this to Ali or John or Mike or whatever the staff member's name. So the customer. So this is now me as a customer. I'm getting a text message from the business. We'll know that Ali will associate this phone number with that business, and we'll be able to see text messages. Okay, so coming back into my system here. So this is now a way for you to communicate with people that don't even download the app, right? Say that someone walks in, you're trying to ask them if they download the app. They're no, I'm not interested, whatever. You can grab their name and a phone number and instantly add them into the system. Okay, so I can show you how that's done. Come over to clients again, and the plus button right here, click that, and then you can take their first name, their last name. Yeah, if they give you their email, great. If not, grab their phone number and add them into our system. So this is for a great way to communicate with people that don't download the app, right? Another way for you to sell the product to a prospective merchant. Okay, come back here, look at my account. So we've got the messaging feature here, right? So you're able to send, you can send text messages, and the client can also respond. So you can see the client can respond, and it will come inside of the app for the staff member to see. So all the communication history is stored inside the platform. So if a staff member leaves, you as a business owner will still have access to this client's communications, and you'll be able to follow up with, assign it to another one of your staff. Go back to the top, you're able to add media. So I'm able to add photos and videos and send to my clients. So if I got a client that came in that's looking for a new sweater, a specific size, shoe size, whatever, I can send that as an image. I'm also able to record video, 30-second videos. Let's say you're an automotive dealership, you're a service department for the auto dealership. Someone brings their car in, you can record a quick 30-second video saying, look, you came in for an oil change, and this is what we found. We found a broken hose here. Record that video and send it to them, and it will be housed inside of the video will be housed inside of the app. The photos will be housed inside of their text screen. Okay, so yeah, the videos, again, you'll have to create an area on your app somewhere that would say multimedia, or media, or whatever you want to call it, where they can click. I think I've added it over here. Yeah, so you'll click this area, and this is what the client sees that has your app. Now, if the client doesn't have the app, obviously it's a problem. You won't be able to send them a video, but you'll be able to send them an image that will go on their text feed. It's just that we can't, each carrier has different size requirements for the size of files you're able to send, so we cannot send the video right into the text feed, but we are able to put the video inside the app, and they'd be able to view the videos right through the app. So if I clicked on on a video here, I would be able to view that video right here as well. Okay, so let's go back to the feature here. Let's look at the other things that we've got in the client section. Again, I'll find my own name, and I will see. Okay, so we've looked at the media. We're able to edit the client information. So once you edit it here, it will actually take you back. It will update this information in the back office right here in your customer list. So whatever you do here will be reflected in the back office in real time immediately. Okay, so I come back to my client. You can see the tags. If I add a tag, I can put different tags here, and these tags can have different follow-up sequences. So if you've got a tag with $1,000 sale, it can have tasks assigned to that specific tag. So for example, call the customer on 3 days after the sale, email the customer 7 days after the sale, send the customer a thank you card 2 weeks after the sale. All those tasks can be automated, and as soon as that tag is applied to this customer, they will all appear in that customer task list and populate on your daily task screen on those appropriate dates. So right now we're testing. You can see we've I've added $1,000 sale, but you can see what you can do as far as the automations go. Down the line, we're going to work on this a little bit more as we get some feedback from you guys. But the goal is to actually make this a fully functioning feature inside of the platform that enables you to sell to your merchants. And gives you the ability to provide an option for a merchant that says, my customers don't want to download apps. This is a way for them to streamline their business and make it a hell of a lot more efficient. Imagine the power that you can provide your staff when they've got this kind of a feature to be able to message people, the clients of the business, and keep all that history inside of the platform. So you're not asking your staff to send a message from their own personal cell phone numbers and their devices. If the staff ever were to leave, you lost that client. This gives you the ability to house all the tasks inside of the app. Really happy and excited about it. Again, if you got any feedback, let us know. And again, we'll work with you guys to make this better. There are some costs involved. This whole system is based on text messaging, not push notifications. So with a text message, you got their cell phone number, they're going to get this message 100% of the time. We have to set up your Twilio account in the back office. You have to set up an account. There'll be a small fee for that. I think it's maybe a couple $100. So we're just working on the numbers now. Once that's set up, you'll be able to sell text credits to your clients. But that's a one-time fee, and then you'll be able to add this feature to all of your existing apps going forward. Thanks for watching, guys. Really excited. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.